Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo. The story. Did you ever talk to someone about they had some kind of conflict situation and they said, well, yeah, I did this thing and the other thing and the other person had to submit and you know, there's little stories that people share. Did you ever notice a lot of the times it's always like some kind of escalation, or I all against all odds and I did this? What if the story was, hey, yeah, well, this thing happened and I was able to resolve it in a calm, peaceful way? Wouldn't that be kind of cool too? Think about appreciating that kind of story. You know, so many times the stories or things that are on television or movies or, I don't think people read books anymore, but maybe if you do, a lot of the stuff is like sensationalized violence. What if it was sensationalized harmony? What about that? So in stories, man, what if we appreciated that kind of stuff? You know, it's pie in the sky kind of stuff, but what the heck? What if more people were focused that way? I mean, it seems like we treat each other a lot nicer. Thank you very much for coming and watching this today. Have a great day.